Rockville residents recently gathered at F. Scott Fitzgerald Theater for Mayor Bridget Donald Newton's State of the City address. Rockville 11's Chloe Lesner has the story.
In her State of the City address, entitled Rockville, the City That Energizes, Mayor Bridget Donald Newton emphasized that Rockville is strong and moving in a positive direction.
And I would suggest that the reason our country is strong, the reason our state and our county are strong, is because our cities, and especially the city of Rockville, are energy centers for commerce, innovation, education, and transportation. Our cities are where it's happening.
I thought this was a wonderful event to resurrect this event where everybody comes together, regardless of your views on any issue, to see what the mayor sees currently as a city, what she envisions for the future.
Mayor Newton described big plans for the future and referenced the energy held within the city limits. Creating more affordable housing, new neighborhoods, and finishing the Rockville Pike Plan will be vital to ensuring that Rockville is a great place to work, live, and play.
Because we've got a lot on our plate, a lot of decisions to make, a lot of important decisions. And I believe as mayor of this city, she's ready to lead us into those important decisions.
Mayor Newton told the crowd that the people of Rockville are the driving force behind some of the most important changes in the city. She reminded them that over 1,000 volunteers donate their time to the community.
Aristotle said, "The energy of the mind is the essence of life." I say that the energy of our citizens is the essence of our city.
I think the mayor is spot on when she talked about how vital volunteerism is in our community, and that really is one of the things that makes Rockville special.
Lucky that we've got good public servants who really want to move the city in a better direction.
The event left the mayor feeling optimistic and prepared to continue working hard.
The city, I think we're on a great track, and we're going to make good decisions on Rockville Pike, we're going to make good decisions on development, and in 20 or 30 years, the city will be as strong as we are now, as vibrant as we are now, if not more so.
For County Report this week, I'm Chloe Leschner.